Good morning, Unity students, parents, and other subscribers. Today is Friday, March 27th. Have a great day. Today is a day 3. Happy birthday today to Jada and Miss Mohr. Yay! Happy birthday! Your Unity weather forecast for today will be a high of 57 and partly sunny. It'll be nice out. Get outside because tonight after 9 it'll start to rain and we will get somewhere between a quarter and a half inch of rain. That's a decent amount of rain. On Saturday, there'll be showers, maybe a thunderstorm. The high is going to be 54, but rain pretty much all day. Another quarter inch to a half inch of rain. And Saturday night, more rain, between a quarter inch and a half an inch. So over the weekend, we'll get a decent amount of rain, which will be great for spring.
Good morning, sixth graders. It's Friday morning. We are making it through our first full week of digital connections. It's so weird to think that we haven't been in school with each other for a whole week, well, more than a week, but for an entire week straight. It's so weird to think that we haven't been able to see each other's faces and walk through the halls. It's definitely taking some getting used to. And thank you for everyone who's doing a great job in keeping up with the things on Shobi and make sure we keep doing our checklists. So to go along with that checklist, that's something I wanted to talk about. Make sure you're getting that checklist done by 8 p.m. every night. You need to make sure you're doing everything on the checklist too. So not just checking things off, but really actually doing them and checking every single folder. That's super, super important. And then for those of you that are in Ms. Schlegel's math class, make sure you're checking her folders to make sure if she has something in math for you. And then 6th hour math, keep checking that folder. Otherwise, the Unity Connections math folder, that math class folder has things every day for us to do in math. So for our daily question today, it's going to be a little bit different than we've normally been doing it. So normally we ask you a question, but today you're going to ask us questions. So you're going to ask 3 different questions. You're going to ask a question to me, you're going to ask a question to Miss Brady, and you're going to ask a question to Mr. Morsch. So you're going to have 3 separate questions. So you can say who you're asking the question to and then ask your question, and then we will answer to those questions. So it can be about anything if you have any questions, whatever you want to ask, but you're asking 3 different questions, one for each of us. So it's kind of like a reverse. So instead of us asking the questions, you're going to ask us the questions. So that is going to be how the daily question is going to work today. And there's no new tasks over the weekend, but if you have not completed everything that you've needed to complete up until this point, please go back and do that and make sure you have all of your work completed that you need to get completed every single day. Since we have been on this full week now of digital connections. And you also have that the mini science project that's due today. And I'm really excited to see how all of those turned out. I've been peeking in the science folder and you guys have some really great stuff that you have been working on. And I can't wait to see those finished. So I've just been keeping up with you guys on Shobi and figuring out stuff for math. That's been keeping me very busy here at home and living back home for a little while, hanging out with my brother, my parents, and my dog. So I've been busy doing stuff for school and then spending time with my family. Today's actually my birthday, so I think we are going to maybe get some takeout food tonight and, I don't know, just hang out and do some stuff around the house and staying home but still having a good time. And it's Jada's birthday too, so happy birthday, Jada. I wish we could be celebrating at school together. That would have been really fun, but we have to make the best of the situation that we have. So I hope everybody has a great weekend and you can take a little break from doing the digital connections, and we'll see you again on Monday to continue with our digital connections.